Good morning, children. Today we'll start with our new lesson of maths, third lesson, subtraction. Today we'll learn subtraction concept, their properties, and subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping, that is without borrowing method. Let's see the subtraction concept first. Children, in subtraction, the words like take away, find the difference, how many more, how many less, what is the difference, how many less, how much more, these terms will come in subtraction. The terms like take away, find the difference, how many more, how many less, what is the difference, if these words come into the problem or the sum, then we should understand that it is a subtraction sum. It is a subtraction problem. Now see the properties of subtraction. We'll see the properties of subtraction. They have given the two properties of subtraction here. One is the zero property, and let's see the first property, zero property. When zero is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. When you subtract the zero from any number, the answer will be the same number. The zero property says that when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the answer, that number itself. Okay. See for example here, 642 minus 0. Now subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 0 is 2 only. 4 as it is, and 6 also as it is. Same number you got. Yes. Think that if you have 40 chocolates, okay, if you have 40 chocolates and you don't give any chocolate to your friend, then how many will remain, children? 40 only. Yes, when you subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Okay, this is the zero property. And second one is, when a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0 as the difference. See here, when you subtract the same numbers, the answer will be 0. When you subtract 200 from 200, you will get answer 0. When you subtract from 98 to 98, then also you will get 0 as the answer. When you subtract both the numbers, you will get the answer as 0. And when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the answer as that number, same number. Okay. Now we'll see the terms and their relationships. See here, in addition, when we add the numbers, the first number which we write, it is called as addend, first addend. Yes, it is called first addend. Correct? And the number which we write second, it is called second addend. And the answer we get, it is called sum. Yes, like this in the subtraction, the first number which we write is called minuend. It is called minuend, and first number will be always bigger than the second one. Okay, remember, first number we should write bigger and second smaller. The second number should be smaller than this first number. This is called minuend, and the number which we write second is called subtrahend, and whatever answer we get, it is called difference. Okay, minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. Now let's study the difference between the relationship between the addition and subtraction now. See here minuend is 9, subtrahend is 3. What is the difference? 6. In addition, if you add the subtrahend and difference, you will get the answer as minuend. When you add these two numbers, you will get the answer as minuend. See here, 3 plus 6 is 9. This is our subtrahend, this 3. Difference is 6, and our minuend we got as the sum in addition. This is the relation between addition and subtraction. Okay. Minuend will become answer when you add subtrahend and difference. When you add subtrahend and difference, then answer you will get as the minuend in addition. Now see the exercises. Now we'll see the exercises. Write the missing numbers. We'll write the missing numbers. A1 is 1240 minus dash is equal to 1240. This is the property of subtraction sum. See here, when you subtract which number from 1240, will get the answer as same number. This is 0 property. When you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the answer as same number. Now we have 1240 they have given. If you subtract 0 from 1240, then you will get the answer as 1240 only. Yes. Now B1 is, this is the second property of this sum is based on the second property. Now see 3682 minus dash they have given and answer is 0. When we get the answer in subtraction, children? When we subtract both the numbers. If both the numbers are same, then we get the answer 0. This property. When you subtract same numbers, we will get the answer as 0. So what we have to write here now? If you subtract 3682 from 3682, then you will get the answer as 0. Right here 3682. When you subtract both the numbers, same numbers, then you will get the answer 0. And when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the answer, the number itself. Now C1 is, C1 and D1 you are going to solve in the textbook itself and you are going to send me. Now E1 and F1 I will solve. See, E1 is 6974 minus the minuend, sorry, the subtrahend they have not given. Minuend they have given, the subtrahend they have not given, but directly they have given the answer. That is the difference they have given. Now let's find out what numbers will come in the subtrahend places. Now see here, 4 is there in the minuend place and answer or the difference is 1. When you subtract which number from 4, you will get the answer as 1. 4 minus dash is 1. What is the answer? If you subtract 3 from 4, you will get the answer as 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay. Then 7 dash 3. If you subtract 4 from 3, you will get the answer. If you subtract 4 from 7, you will get the answer 3. Then 9 minus dash is 2. 9 minus dash is 2. And remember, when you add these two numbers, you will get the answer minuend. And also you should remember that when you add these two numbers, you will get the answer the minuend. Now see here, 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes, 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 2 plus what is 9? 2 plus dash is 9. 2 plus dash is, count, here 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 7. 7 numbers are there. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Like this also you can do, or else we can find out the answer by subtracting 9 minus 7 is this one, 9 minus 6 is this one. We can find the answer like this also, but this will be easiest. You can add the numbers here and find the minuend. Okay. Now 6 minus dash is 6 only. Here 0 will come. Okay. If you subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Now B1, now they have given the subtrahend, minuend they have not given, and the difference they have given. Now how will get the minuend, children? When you add these two numbers, we'll get the answer as minuend. The relation between addition and subtraction, remember. Okay. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now see here, 9 minus 8 will be 1. Correct. Now 0 they have given. When you subtract same numbers, you will get the answer 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1 only. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Now check whether it is correct or wrong. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. Then 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 3 is. Now we'll see the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, without regrouping we'll see the subtraction. First one is find the difference. Review they have given. Review means this you have learnt in the last year, that is in 3rd standard. They have given the review, the 3-digit numbers they have given. Okay, let's solve A1 now. 6 minus 2. How we will solve? Children, you can count by fingers also, and the easiest method will be drawing the lines. By drawing the lines you can find the difference very easily. Now draw the 6 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from those 6 lines cancel 2. 1, 2. Now how many remained? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the answer. Okay, like this you can solve the sums. 5 minus 1. Draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cancel 1 line from that. Cancel this 1 line. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here also 4. Now 7 minus 3 will do. Draw the 7 lines first. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cancel 3 from these. 1, 2, 3. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 756 minus 312 will be 444. Now B1 and C1 you are going to solve and you will send. Solve in the textbook itself. Okay, no need to write in the notebook. Now see the next one. Skill test simplify. A1 is 100 plus 100 is 100 plus 0 plus 100. 100 plus 0 plus 100. Add the numbers. 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 200. Okay, like this you can solve. Now 100 minus 0 plus 100. 100 minus 0 is 100 only. When you subtract 0 from 100, you will get the answer as 100. Now next number is 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. Okay. See the B1 now. 100 plus 0. 100 plus 0 is 100 only. Then 100 minus 100 is 0. Okay. 100 minus 100 is these two. When you subtract 0 from 100, you will get 100 only. Then subtract again 100 from this. 100 minus 100 will be 0. Okay. Now see the subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. A1 is 3876 minus 2415. Let's subtract the numbers. 6 minus 5. How we are going to do? Draw the 6 lines, and from those 6 lines you are going to cancel 5 lines, and the remaining lines you are going to write as the difference. Draw 6 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cancel 5 lines from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many left? 1. So write here 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 7 minus 1 is, draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And cancel 1 line. This line. Now count the remaining lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now 8 minus 4. Draw 8 lines. Cancel 4 lines from that. When you cancel 4 lines from 8, you will get the answer as 4. You can use your fingers also to subtract. 3 minus 2. Fingers. You can use the fingers like this. Now they have given 3. Cancel 2 from this. 1, 2. How many left? 1. So write here 1. So the answer is 1461. Now the remaining B, C, D, E, F you will solve. Okay. Let's see the next page now. Page number 35. Find the difference. Same, you have to subtract. It is a subtraction of 4-digit number without regrouping. Okay, easier subtraction. 3 minus 1. Draw 3 lines. 3 minus 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 1232. You can draw the lines and you can find the answers. The remaining 4 sums you will solve and send. Now see the next exercise, skill test. Find the subtrahend or the minuend. They have given subtrahend for one sum, and for one sum they have given the minuend, and difference they have given. The answer they have given. Now we have to find the subtrahend or minuend. Let's see the A1. Now in this question they have given the minuend. Now we have to find the subtrahend. How to find the subtrahend, children? When you add subtrahend and difference, you will get the answer minuend. This is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is the difference. Yes, when you add subtrahend and the difference, you will get the answer minuend. So 2 plus what is 4? When you add 2 plus 2, you will get the answer 4. Now check whether it is correct or wrong. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is correct. Now 0 plus dash is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Like this. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Like this we are going to solve the remaining sums, children. And children, if they have given the subtrahend, then it will be easy to find the minuend. Directly we are going to add the subtrahend and the difference, so that you will get the answer minuend. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is again 0. And 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now see, 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 3 will be 5. Okay, like this you are going to solve the remaining 3 numbers. Let's see the last exercise now, HOTS. Subtract, solve in your notebook. Greatest 4-digit number minus greatest 3-digit number. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999 minus greatest 3-digit number is 9999. Sorry, 999. This is greatest 3-digit number. Now subtract the numbers. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is again 0. Here also 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 as it is. So the answer is 9000. Okay. Solve the given sums and send me, children. And if you have any doubt, we'll discuss in the Google Meet classes. Thank you.